Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hadar Hotang Budiman from 11 RPL, and inshallah today I will be the host for our weekly agenda. There is Weekend Tech Talk. Here we already with a special guest from the best student from 11 RPL for Ataris Kinawila. You can introduce yourself.
Uh, okay, everyone. My name is Anda Rizky Nawila, and I'm from 11th grade.
Okay, so today you will be the speaker. What the topic you will tell to us?
Today we're gonna learn about basic of Flutter. We're gonna learn about what is layouting and short of introduction in Flutter.
Okay. Uh, for Atar, you can start your material. The stage is yours.
Alright, everyone. So the first page I want to show you what is Flutter. The purpose of Flutter that we will use is for creating an application such as uh, Android application or iOS application. And then also Flutter can be used by desktop and website. So Flutter is like uh, an code base that we can make an entire of apps, and it's the advantage of Flutter is Flutter have multi-platform. So like what I said before, Flutter can we can make an mobile, web, or Android iOS application. The first thing that we must have to do to start into Flutter, you must have some application that uh, used for IDE like Visual Studio Code or maybe Android Studio. But I prefer to choose Visual Studio Code. In here, in the Flutter docs, we have uh, uh, a quick tutorial how to install Flutter with VS Code or manually using SDK that put into Android Studio. In here, we can firstly install Git and then install VS Code, Visual Studio Code. And after that, we can launch into the Flutter project. And uh, the next things that I wanna tell to you, Flutter have an advantage like it's scalable and fast, also secure. Flutter is using Dart language, and also Flutter is open source and support by Google. Okay, let's we get into the Visual Studio Code. Okay, yes. In here, as you can see, it's a Visual Studio Code. Uh, in here, Flutter, we can, eh, in Visual Studio Code or VS Code, we will not just only use a Flutter, but we can also do some things like HTML, CSS, other language like HTML, CSS, or maybe Python and other language. So, if you have not download the extension of the Flutter, firstly we must have to download it first. Like Flutter in extension you can search Flutter and also Dart, yeah, Dart language. Okay. To start making the application, we can press Control Shift P and new project Flutter application. Nah, after that, you must have to create a new folder like test this and select the folder. And also you can enter your project name. This, yeah, this. Wait, um, uh, After this, we will wait for VS Code to build our project first. Nah, okay. Now I will show you something that important in Flutter. So in here, as you can see, there there are there is some of folder that we can say it's widget tree. There is lib, iOS, Android, idea, but we're gonna use only lib for making an application. Not only that, there is a pubsec, the YAML that we are using to add some of uh, dependencies like pub, like get get stat, and then you can add another things like camera, and also you can add an image in here and font. Okay. Now we're gonna change to main.dart. In here, uh, there are some things that are just example from the Flutter. Now we're gonna uh, remove some of uh, useless class in here. Nah, so what we got here is override function, and then we can change home is main.dart. Okay, okay. The first thing is I want to show you about stateful and status. What is the difference of stateful and status is stateless is used for not, mm, it will not change anything, only just for the interface. But stateful, we can add set stat like increment, decrement, or maybe we can create a CRUD in stateful. I'm gonna give you an example. We're gonna make stateless first. My widget. Now we're going to change the class of the name to home, or maybe just use my widget. And then in here, in the off right, we can change to my widget. Nah, this. And in here, in the class of our or my widget, we change the return const price order to scaffold. It's similar like in HTML to return to change the to make an widget trick. Now, in Flutter, we can make an app bar and body. Nah, nah, wait for a second. Nah, if you want to run the Flutter, you can press run. Hmm. Nah, we can set the device first, like Chrome, Edge, Windows, and the down below here, like Chrome, and then we can run without debugging. It will start the session, but it will not show anything because in the class our widget we haven't yet add anything. It will be show like this, but mm, okay, let's we just continue by add body in it. Mm, body. Nah, uh, in body we must have to make the parents first, like column or children. Also, if you want to be more scrollable, we can add list view or single child scroll view like this. Nah, it will be show like this if we turn on the run project. Hmm. Okay. Nah, like single child scroll view to make the body scrollable or maybe list view. Nah, I'm gonna use column first. So what is column? Uh, the reason why we are using column because it will show the widget with column, and then after the column, we can add text. After that, children, then text. Yeah, this is nah. And there is kind of property in here in text like style, like font weight, wait, style, style. I'm gonna add colors in here. style, colors, tick, dot, red. Hmm. Okay. It is one of example of text. And then there is container, same as like in HTML and CSS. You can add width and height is same. Okay. Nah, I'm gonna rerun the project and we will waiting for the session. It will be show like this. This the example of container and text in Flutter. Now we're gonna add style in this text. Style, style. We're gonna add colors, maybe blue, then font size, um, and wait, we can add the weight of the font, and I'm gonna choose bold. Now, the text will be changed into bold, and the color is blue. Okay. Uh, okay. Mm, if you want to stop the uh, the localhost, we can press this. Nah, it will be stop. Okay. I think is that all from me. The basic of an introduction of Flutter. We have create text and container. If you want to learn more, you can get some kind of research in Google or maybe in the documentation in at Flutter.
Okay, Atar, thank you for
Okay,
that
Atar, thank you
great
for
material. The
great
conclusion is
material.
make a text
The
and
conclusion is
container, right?
make a text and
Okay,
container.
I think that's all from us. Sorry, we have
I think
a
that's
lot of
all.
mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.